this is Cindy Praying at the Heart, and I'm back with a project for Scrapdaworld's Issa Linky party. I believe it's number 8. Maybe it's number 9. I think it's number 8. Anyway, I'm kind of late to the party, but hopefully I'll get this in on time. The project, I will link in the description box to her website, where you can get information on how to join the Linky party. So this one was to make I don't know, it could be a scrapbook. You could use it to put embellishments. I mean, there's different things that you could do with this type of book. But anyway, this is what I did. I used the Authentique, I believe it's Bountiful Harvest or Bountiful something by Authentique that I had gotten from Tuesday Morning a while ago. So I decided to pull it out and make a bunch of projects with it. This is the first one that I've made to use up that collection. And so it's got chipboard. It's covered with cardstock and paper. This is from one of the card parts. I kept it pretty simple. I just tied some seam binding on the spine. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. And so it's got this kind of accordion style pockets, and there's 4 on each side. And all I did was cover the front with the pattern paper and then put one of the cards that came with the kit there. And then inside of here, you have little cards. And I just did some of the stickers on the top, so it made it really easy to pull out, even though there's like a little tab here. It just makes it a lot easier to pull these out. So you could put pictures on these, you could journal on these, you could put recipes on these. There's a lot of options for what you can do with that. And so that's my project. It closes, it stays closed, like I guess gravity, kind of keeps it closed. But you always could tie ribbon around it. Instead of tying ribbon on the side, you could tie ribbon around it, keep it closed. Anyway, that's my project for Scrapdaworld's It's a Linky Party, number 8. I'm pretty sure it's number 8. So be sure to visit her channel as well as her website to get information on how to join or to see the other projects. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Praying at the Heart.